What is up you guys? It's your boy and I am back for another video. So guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung thoughts ko around this 3 a.m. in the morning. So guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na ako as an employee, as a corporate guy, the best day off or rest days for me, maniwala man kayo sa hindi, is Friday, Saturday. Guys, I work at night and kapag Friday, Saturday ang off mo, if you work graveyard shift, para siyang technically Friday, Saturday, Sunday because papasok ka Sunday pa ng gabi. For me, that's the best, rest days that you can have. Pero na-realize ko lang din guys, as you get older, dito mo maa-appreciate yung mga katrabaho mo na ang preferred day off is weekdays. Kasi parang dumadating na ako sa point na mas gusto ko yung payapa, yung mga malls, yung mga establishments, kapag may errands ako, pag may gagawin ako, kesa yung madaming tao. And na-realize ko lang din talaga guys na the more you get older, the more peaceful places ang gusto mo. Guys, I am a city boy. I like city lights, I like buildings, structures, mini parks inside the city. Pero I am starting, not completely yet, but I'm starting to like going to nature trips. But still, ayoko pa rin ng camping because I am for efficiency. Mas gusto ko magstay in sa hotel kaysa mag-camping. Pero I am starting to like going to the beach, going to the, a little greenery and stuff. Pero yun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo na as you get older, you tend to not like crowded events, crowded places, and you tend to have your own thing, you tend to have like a peaceful errands, completing all of your to-do list, and yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-share.